Can you set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality? So let's get started. Setting a high quality profile picture on WhatsApp can sometimes be tricky because WhatsApp compresses images. However, you can follow these steps to ensure minimal loss of quality when uploading your profile picture. Now, simply open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device first of all. Now, once inside the WhatsApp app, simply tap on the settings option available in the bottom right corner of your screen to navigate to the settings. Now, once inside the settings, tap on your name on the top. Then you can see your profile picture edit option available there. Then all you have to do is tap on the edit and select an image with a high resolution, preferably over 500 into 500 pixels to ensure it does not lose sharpness when compressed. WhatsApp profile picture are displayed in a circular format, so cropping your image into square helps. Recommended resolution is 640 into 640 pixels or higher. You can also use Canva, Adobe Photoshop, Express, Snapseed, or PixArt and save your image as JPG or PNG file and avoid heavy compression during the saving process. So that is it. By following these steps, you can ensure that a WhatsApp profile picture looks crisp and clear without losing quality. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.